Ever wondered about the power of plant oils? These oils, extracted from a variety of plant sources, are a staple in our kitchens, but they're so much more than just cooking ingredients. They're packed with nutrients and health benefits, playing a vital role in everything from our heart health to our skincare routines. Whether it's olive oil for sautéing vegetables, coconut oil for moisturizing skin, or lavender oil for its calming properties, plant oils are everywhere. So plant oils are more than just cooking ingredients, they are powerhouses of health benefits. But what makes these plant oils so beneficial, one might wonder? Well, plant oils are brimming with heart-healthy fats, acting as a shield against cardiovascular diseases. They are powerhouses of anti-inflammatory properties, helping to soothe your body from within. Among this green army, we have the likes of olive oil, rich in antioxidants, coconut oil, known for its lauric acid content, and avocado oil, abundant in essential vitamins. Each oil brings to the table its unique set of benefits. Clearly, these oils pack a punch with their nutrient profiles. Now, how can you incorporate these oils into your routine? Whether it's in your kitchen or skincare regimen, plant oils can be a game changer. When cooking, use plant oils to sauté, roast, or as a salad dressing. But remember, moderation is key, given their high caloric content. For skincare, always conduct a patch test first to avoid potential allergic reactions. Plant oils can be used as a moisturizer or mixed into your favorite products. With these tips, you can safely and effectively make plant oils part of your lifestyle. Choosing the right oil and keeping it in good condition is crucial. Always opt for high-quality oils, with a preference for those that are cold-pressed, as these retain more nutrients. To maintain the freshness and potency of your oils, store them in a cool, dark place. Exposure to air and light can degrade the quality of the oil and diminish its benefits. So ensure the lid is tightly sealed after each use. Remember, the quality and condition of your oil can greatly affect its benefits, so choose wisely and store properly.